I'll probably get Tilly out here as well to do some pressure washing. So it's just a bit of fun, isn't it? Just a bit of jokes. Freddie being a knob. Hey, Freddie. Yeah, we love you a little bit. Yeah, so sorry if it's a bit loud, and also sorry if you don't really care. This is like a bit of a boring one. I'm literally going to be doing this, pressure washing. It's just like kind of satisfying, kind of funny. I don't know who I'm actually going to give the phone. I might see if Leo wants to take the phone. Leo? I don't know if I got a response there. Leo? He's not here, I don't think. Tills? Yeah? Come here, mate. Yeah? Come here. Just, can you talk, while I power wash, can you talk to my live stream? What are you doing? Right, let's show everyone that. That's a mess. Have you made a kebab out of cucumber, raspberry and pepper?
I'm not, but you...
There's something wrong with you. You've been brought up wrong. Well, I was just going. Well, you missed it basically because I was going to ask you to talk to my live stream while I was power washing, but now I've got this little one. Unless you want to, but no. All right. So there we go, Tills. You hold it like that. If anyone talks to you, you don't have to talk to them back, but you can if you want. And also don't film the floor because I know you're good at that.
Harv. Hello, my people.
Harv. Is your brother around?
Tills is trying to film a live stream. You got your shoes on, Tills.
Would anyone like anything from Wagamama's?
This has got to be the worst thing ever. She's just like filming the floor and everything around her. So Tills, what you do, you don't... What is she doing?
I have no idea. She's sort of...
I'm staying away from you.
Okay, well done, Tills.
Harv!
What do you
want for Waggers?
Come here, Tills.
Oh, look at that. Wow, dude. Mum, did you realise how much of a pool you're making?
Yeah,
What's
it'll
that?
go. It'll go.
Look,
The water
that.
will go.
It'll just dissolve into the... It doesn't really dissolve, but it'll just fall into the ground. Soak. That's the right word. Soak into the ground. Tills, what if I just...
I have your phone.
Yeah, I know. But that's kind of waterproof, that phone. I said kinda. It is kinda.
Dad, you're in the shop.
Oh,
Well,
I think that's alright.
I think, yeah, he's not... It's not hurting anyone being in the shop.
Kind
Maybe
of
some
hurting
people's
my eyes.
Alright, cool, thanks.
Should we shut the door?
Ah, keep it open. Ready, Pippa?
No.
I think she's got another tick on her. Just rub it off. Put it under the pressure washer. Just give it here. Hang on. No, it is. Ready? That one's dead.
There's a little bit here.
What do you want?
Paul is fine. Everybody's saying poor Paul. He takes it all the time. You're fine. You're getting my legs.
I'm mentally damaged.
Can I do this bit?
By yourself.
I don't
By
let it
you.
go on the window.
Alright, ready, Tills?
Max, you want
What's that?
heavy cat soup?
No, I'll just get edamame being sex covered. Have
Alright.
pizza. That's really satisfying. That's cool. So come a little bit closer.
Oh,
I'm
can
not
you
going to
put
get
it all that way a bit?
Look, so you see this bit that's nice and bright here.
Are you talking to me?
Well, kind of, but also the people watching.
What? Dad? Dad!
That's nice.
Max, just hold on a second, because...
Oh.
Because I've already seen you do it.
We need to get ourselves.
Well, we can
Once
just borrow
a year.
Justin's. That's
Fair. Freddie. I could actually do this because of how dirty they've made it. They're ridiculous, the dogs.
Hi, Pippi! Hi, Pippi!
So is anyone trying to talk to you?
This is very exciting content, watching Max
That's
Yeah,
Cassie.
it's not like
pressure.
sarcastic, is it?
That's Cassie saying that.
Oh, is Cassie saying that?
No, it's not.
Oh.
Somebody said run till he
Cassie would love
runs.
this.
No, do you know, even as I said that,
Cassie would be like, yeah, more of that, please.
Somebody said run till he runs.
She makes me question my career choices sometimes with the stuff that she likes from us and doesn't.
Right, so hang on.
That's how a good manager's meant to be.
chicken.
Oh, that was a lot of dirt.
Edamame, bang bang.
Try
Cool.
Sorry.
not to do these bits because they're just sand and it's gonna come up, look like this, and the grass is just gonna grow up there and it's gonna ruin it. So
Right.
try and just do.
The grass is
Those
going to
bits are
grow
dirty.
then.
You just want the
One
dirt
quick
to stay
sweep
there.
from far away,
Okay.
like that bit. See, it's all coming up. It's like you're rubbing your finger down.
Actually, I just to Tesco's
Why?
because I need to get some wine in that because we haven't got any.
Sorry, there's you, Mama. Step
So-
back.
You can get 2 loads of bread.
Guys, I'm doing a long distance thing. Because
That's enough, Max, because otherwise all that sand's going to come up from in between.
I'm over here. I got right over here, and Max is over there.
I'll do one across.
I don't know if
this
you actually
bottom
told me
here.
then.
It's
But-
more this bit I need you to do.
That's what I just said I'll do.
You need to come here and do it that way, not downwards.
Thanks for holding the phone for the live, Tuz.
Sideways.
Oh,
Yeah, we'll do it
you're welcome.
That's so cute.
Hey, bestie Brioni, I think.
Not really. Only the bottom bit.
Oh, thanks. Somebody said, Tilly, you look swag. Everybody's saying they love my dressing gown.
Okay. Ready?
Don't shoot me.
See, this is even more uneventful than last time, so I don't have Leo and Harvey to shoot at. But that's alright. Oh, I'm so sorry, Mum. It's moving. Ugh. Oh, it's tangled. Ah.
Come on, put it underneath.
Shoot, Mum. Why are you doing that?
Do you want?
I'd rather you didn't.
Do you want the smoke?
There's a lot of dirt there. Whoa. Keep in mind, everybody, I'm sacrificing my legs and feet for you, because when I go closer, oh.
Tilly, do you know you just does it all the time. That's
Can you
what
pause it?
children do.
Can you pause it? Can you hold this? I want it. Just
Yeah, this bit really needs doing, doesn't it?
I can hold it in my fingers.
Then stand on the shelf and do it.
Oh, that's really satisfying, that. How are you guys enjoying the content?
Tilly, tell Max and...
I wouldn't really say it's riveting stuff, it's just...
Right. Can I do it now? We might move a bit quicker.
What, this?
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
Well, hurry up.
I'm having
Come on.
such a good time.
Max, those are, I think this one's quite dirty. Ah! You got my legs.
Is that one pretty clean?
Goes right there. That's it.
What is this?
Part of it.
Dye there.
Oh, you might have Harvey to shoot if he's coming out. Hello, Harvey. We can't hear a word you're saying.
Are you going to post now?
Can I?
Evidently not.
Well, like, I can. It's ready. But, like, obviously not right this second.
What is it?
What time is the best to do it?
What is it? We shouldn't have this conversation live.
No. Huh? Okay.
Oh, sorry.
I don't want to put my hand on
Max,
it.
everyone knows what you're talking about. Everyone's like, post what? What are you talking about in private?
Nothing. Nothing. Shall I put my hand under it?
Go for it. Get 999 on speed dial. Tails, you ready?
I don't understand.
Say what? Let me hold it and do it.
Should I actually?
Yeah, go for it.
What would happen? Shall I see if I can push the ball in the goal? Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do that to my hand.
Good decision.
Tills, you're filming the floor.
Well, because I was like filming the ball.
Yeah, watch this, hang on. Let's score a goal, everyone. Watch. Oh!
Can we get this finished?
Yeah, man, sure. done any of this?
Everyone's going Max don't and going ha 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 ha.
Yeah.
Hello, 3TYHX. Max,
Yeah?
who's your secret girlfriend? Everyone's asking.
Who's my secret girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was Ariana Grande until she got married.
Hi, Max and Harvey _Mills 123.
What's that?
I was just saying hi to people. Everyone's saying, does Max have a girlfriend? I honestly don't know if he does have one. That's very dirty water. Hello, Nazwarina. Hi. Oh, I can't say all your names. Holly Drummond for Zara backup account. Leah _512. Hi, Maxine _32. Hi, Max _Harvey _Millsy. Hello, Sophie _Thorn _12. Hello, Hamills. Hello, everybody. Hi, Gracie _Mitchell X. Somebody asked, can I speak Spanish? I can do a little bit of Spanish, but not really. I'm learning it in school, but like not that much. Hi, Colt Kova _N1. I'm good, thank you. My arm's okay. It's getting better.
Do you have your phone?
No.
So can you get Harvey?
Harvey! Come here! Because Max told me to get you.
What do you want?
I don't know. Max, what do you want?
I need you to film one of these.
He says no. How do you feel about that one?
Harvey, I'm very busy. No, you're not. I'm actually uploading a YouTube video. Okay, that's you can leave uploaded for a second. It's not going yet. I was literally about to start it. Hi, just come here. No.
My phone's in the conservatory.
Cool, so I get my phone. You gotta give me my phone while you do that.
Nah.
No.
Mum, where's your phone? I don't know where her phone is. Oh, her phone's there. Bow, shaka, bow. Bow, shaka, bow, wow, shaka, bow.
Washing it down.
YouTube! People are saying, Mum, touch your phone. And this one for a second.
What?
Just need to.
What am I supposed to be doing?
No, that's on your face. you were filming your face and you're doing it again.
Do you want to come and take my phone?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I'll take yours. Thing is, I can't really film it myself.
Do you want me to film it?
you're way more useless.
How rude. At least I'm less useless than you. That's why you should be giving me the phone.
Yeah, could you film this side?
Everybody, this is a behind the scenes
Very
of the video.
square. So it's like above it.
Hashtag BTA.
Yeah.
I mean,
you.
yeah. Hashtag BTS.
That should work.
My phone.
Yeah, just let me have a look.
Somebody told me to do ASMR. ASMR. ASMR.
Yeah, that's really good, that.
How do you like your ASMR?
Very nice. What's that?
ASMR. Hashtag ASMR. ASMR. Hashtag BTS.
You can put that all into the stones, can't you?
Yeah.
ASMR. ASMR. Do you like it? Whoever commented that comment. This is your ASMR.
Right, I'm going
Oh, stop that.
Everyone's telling me to do ASMR.
Yeah, but you can't just whisper ASMR.
Well, they said my voice is so soothing, so I'm doing ASMR.
It's really far from that.
You like my ASMR? Max doesn't like it, but I know you do. Thank you, everybody, and good night.
If you just got here, yes, we're doing some really boring stuff, and I decided to go
I'm
live
making it not
Yeah,
boring.
you're making it a little less boring.
Sing a song, Phil.
No. Thanks, Tills. Did I do this one?
Do a bit of the sand, because the sand's quite
Are we
dirty.
doing that right now as well?
No.
I know, it's amazing, right? I was practicing for hours. Ah! Look at this shaky boy, look at this shaky boy. Allah! You like my ASMR? ASMR. Hashtag BTS. Behind the scenes. Oh shoot, I'm stepping on it. So wet. ASMR, you like it, don't you? Yeah, you love my ASMR. That's why I'll keep on doing it, because it's ASMR.
You're face in it. So I'm gonna need this over here. And Mum, I might need your phone back.
ASMR, I know you love it.
This one might be alright. This could go horribly wrong.
Can I just move that other stuff?
Yeah.
Those are my feet. Tootsies.
In the net.
I cannot touch them.
Oh, it's a bit wet.
Red and white ball in the net.
Oh, of course it is, because you just... I'm staying away from the wetness. Oh! He just sprayed it at me. He just sprayed it at me. gosh. Stop, Max, stop. Stop. That's a cool pic. No,
How
don't.
close can I get?
No, don't.
That would be a cool picture. You're right. Huh. Is Dobby watching? Ask Dobby to come round.
Dobby, can you come round? Dobby. Dobby. Hurry up. Dobby.
I'll get you. I will
No,
actually get
don't, no. Max, stop.
you. How high does it go?
Pretty high. I'll dance in it when it comes back down.
You got
Oh,
some
that's
there-
wet.
you got some
Okay.
there, Tools.
No, I don't trust you.
Please don't, because it's all going up on the conservatory.
Not.
Which is exactly what I just said. Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, I'm so wet. Oh, Max's phone is very wet.
Can you just do the last little bit that needs doing?
Yeah, but I want to do slime.
Everybody, tell Dobby to come round. Bye. Hey, Beth, they coming round right this
Mother,
second.
have you got your phone?
She's gone. She's disappeared into the nothingness of nothingness. Loud noises, loud noises, loud noises. Loud noises, loud noises. Ooh. I've actually taken over his life now, pretty much. Oh, it's a wet ball. That's a wet ball. No, don't. It's like a gun, but like what kind of gun? Mum's like now. She's like, while I have the chance, get him to hose it out for me. Look, this is your pants.
The window. Here. Over here.
It's going on the window, people. She's filling out a pool that no one uses, and she kept it because she's a hoarder. For the ducks.
Are you kidding me?
What ducks, Mum?
Just what? I'm a hoarder. Let's do that. Oh yeah, you are though, to be fair.
What ducks, Mum?
There's a slug there. It's gone now.
That's it.
I thought it was a leaf when it fell out. I think there's that bit that makes it. Wait, can you just do the thing? Yeah, I think it's this bit that keeps on going. What should we do, my people? Should we water? Oh, there's actually water in the watering can. What should we be watering? There's mud here. I will water it. I'm watering the mud away. Oh, rude. That was my mud to water away. How about we water the plants? Water the plants. Even though they get enough water here in Britain anyways, so... We are watering the plants. Water Max. Max, somebody told me to water you. Max, somebody told me to water you.
Oh, you can't do that.
With my watering can, if you can't tell, our dog has, when he was a puppy, he chewed up the end of it, so now it comes out a bit funny. See, there's this extra little bit that comes out there. You can see there's an extra bit that goes out at the bottom. Yeah, because our dog chewed it up. My arm's getting a bit tired, but anyways, watch carefully. See the bottom bit that just comes out like that, yeah? Because my dog chewed it, but it was like ages ago. But we just happened to still have the same watering can, just because I didn't know. Have you still got Noodle? No, he has gone to Scotland. Everybody have to water the plants first. They need more water. Max, I have to water you apparently. It's by demand that I have to water you. He's ignoring me, so. It's by demand that I have to. Okay, he's ignoring me, so I can't water him. Do you miss the ducks? Yes, we miss the ducks. Although they were a bit stinky, because they were like in our living room, and then whenever we'd walk into our living room, we'd go, and it stunk so much. Max, everyone's telling me by demand to water you.
How clever do you reckon that would be?
It's not me, it's people on here.
Yeah? So, the tills, genuinely, I insist, water me.
No.
Why not?
Because you're going to spray me.
How do you know that?
Because-
You're filming the floor right now.
No, I'm not. I'm filming the watering can. Don't.
Go on, water me.
No. Stop it. Max, stop. I've already let you spray me. Look at that.
I think we're done, tills.
No, but it would be a great picture. Get Dobby to come round. It would be a really good picture.
That's my phone though, isn't it?
Yeah?
Might have to end the live then.
Yeah, but he's not round yet.
Go check it here. Well, no, I need to call him.
Oh. Or you could ask Harvey too.
Harvey probably won't. Alright. Thanks everyone for watching. I'm surprised that many people have stuck around. Apologies about that. I just thought, hey, why not? See you later.
Bye.
Tills, I'll
If I water